Over 1,100 employees, 150 plus locations around the world. We are at Hwacheon. Yes, we're here in Korea at the foundry, where they build everything from the ground to the top with partners like Caterpillar and Kia and Samsung. You know that you're in good hands. We're very excited to take you to 3 different locations. Yes, here at the foundry to start, then we're going to see how the machines are made and also the automotive area as well. So please join us today and take a look at what Hwacheon can do for you. Here at Hwacheon, they make their own castings. And what happens when you have the fire and the forging to make your own castings? You get the best components. When you get the best components, the customers get the best machines. And that's the point of making our own castings, having our own foundry, and doing it integration vertically from bottom to top. With tenacity, sincerity, and honesty being the core values of Hwacheon, we're now in Gwangju's facility, manufacturing facility, and we're going to take you inside and show you what the foundry has brought to the next level of machining.
I think the first word that would come to mind is admiration. I see a tight-knit, almost family-like group that is just pouring their diligence, their commitment, their effort into building a product that they're proud of.
I've really enjoyed the tour so far. It's just really great to see everything come to life. You know, back in the States, we're the ones behind the scenes putting in these orders, so it's great to see everything come up from the ground up and have all our dealers here to see everything in action for themselves.
The first thing I noticed, there's not a trash bin anywhere, and I think that's because the facility is that clean. They put in the effort to keep this place, I would say, like a medical lab. It's as clean as it could be. I don't imagine you could do better than they're doing right now.
Our dealers are having a great time here. I'm looking around, I'm seeing all their faces, they're excited. I'm just so glad that they are having the time of their lives here and getting to see everything, the foundry and the history of Hwacheon.
Are you serious right now? Yes, we're in front of the Serious Machine 24K, a beast in the mold and die community and one of the most impressive machines here at the Hwacheon facility here in Korea. Hello Hello, my friends. We're playing in the rain today here in Changwon, Korea. We're at the Hwacheon factory. You know, they build everything from the factory floor up. They have their own foundry. And here at this facility, they're actually doing manual machining on up to the biggest ones that you can imagine, focused in the education world, supporting Korean education in CNC manufacturing. And we're gonna head inside and see what the difference is between what Hwacheon does, bringing everything from the foundry floor to no outsourced products into their machines to bring you the perfection you deserve. As we come to a close here in South Korea of all the Hwacheon facilities, we thank you for being a part of this journey. We've been to the foundry where everything is integrated from the ground level up to bring you the precision and the reliability that you're looking for. When you're looking for that partnership, that family relationship for your facility moving from now and into the future, remember the name Hwacheon. It might not be a household name today, but it will be from here moving forward. Thank you all for watching. Time is the one commodity we can never manufacture, and we appreciate you sharing it with us.